Hey there everyone, welcome to another Minecraft tutorial here on the channel, and within this video I'm going to be doing an update tutorial. That is right. So in a previous tutorial I show you how to do a command sign in Minecraft. So the idea is that you can actually run a command by clicking on a sign. But Minecraft 1.20, which came out somewhat recently, changed signs a lot, and it basically changed a lot about how sign data is stored in the block. And also, you have the idea that you can now have two different text on either side of the sign. So as you can see here, I have run command on the front and run command 2 on the back. Now, if I click the front of this sign, the game is going to give me a diamond. If I use the second command on the back and click the sign from the back, it gives me some cake, as you can see. So you can actually assign two different commands to either side of the sign. And the whole point of this tutorial is I'm going to be showing you how that basically works. So it's pretty straightforward. As you can see here, what I'm doing is if I have a blank sign right here, I'm using this command block above it right here to force data into this sign. And what we're actually doing is that on one of the lines of the sign, we are embedding a click event in that sign. And that click event does what's called a run command action. And as you can see here, if I use this command right here, it modifies the block data of this sign. Now, as far as I know, you only need to put the click event or the run command action on one of the lines on the sign, okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you the command in a text editor so that you can see the command in more detail. But it literally only takes one command in the game with a command block in order to get this to work. Now, the reason why I have to use a command block is the command is too long to run from just the ordinary chat window down here. So, yeah, let's get into the text editor to show you this in full. Alright everyone, we're now inside this text editor right here, and this is the command. Now, I will have this command in full in the description as well, so you can have a look at it in your own time and read it for yourself. Now, just as a very slight disclaimer, I have broken up this command into separate lines, just so that it's easier to show you in this text window right here. But basically what we're doing is we're doing a /data merge block command. So we're merging data tags into this particular sign. And what we're doing here is we're altering the front text and the back text of the sign. Now, in previous versions of the game, signs used to store only each line of text. So it used to go text 1, text 2, text 3, and text 4. Because signs could only have text on the front of them. But that has now changed in Minecraft 1.20, so you can now assign to the front and back text. Now, each of these text areas has a messages container, as you can see, and the messages container has 4 text objects inside. Now, as you can see, some of them are actually empty. So this is an empty text tag right here. And the reason why I'm using this is because I want that line to be empty. Now, as you can see, the second line is the one that actually has the actual details for the run command. So this second line on the front of the text has run command as the text, and then it has this additional data attached to it. So it has this right here, which is the click event. So we have click event, action, run command, and then inside the value right here, we have the command. So in this case, I'm just doing a very simple /give command with a diamond. And the back text is exactly the same. So as you can see on the second line, I just have run command 2 with a click event right here. and then this one gives cake instead. Now, there's lots of things you could do with this. You could, you could do lots of other different commands. You could summon an entity. You could place a block down. You could clone blocks. You could do all sorts of things. So this is actually pretty powerful. You could also run multiple commands at once. So what you can do, as an example, is this command that it runs from the sign. You could make it place a redstone block in a particular place, and that will run a circuit or something like that, or it will run a whole chain of command blocks. So that is how you can do a batch load of commands at once if you wanted to do that. But yeah, very powerful, but very, very simple. And I just wanted to do this tutorial to show you the updated way, the updated methods to get this to work. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful. If you did, then a like and subscribe on the video would be very much appreciated. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you stay notified of any future videos here on the channel. And if you want to follow my Twitter, it's on screen or in the description. But thank you for watching. Have fun with this. It's pretty useful in obviously command block builds, or even, adventure maps, custom maps, that sort of thing. Data method that I've shown you in this video. But hope you guys have a nice day. Stay happy and healthy as always, and I'll see you next time.